Student, please refer this link for queue. Queue is an abstract data structure somewhat similar to stack. Unlike stack, means it is the different or opposite from stack. Unlike stack, a queue is open at both end only. Okay, both end. In stack, only one end you have to insert it or delete it, but in queue is open at both end. One end is always used to insert data, and means this is NQ, it is called as NQ, and the other is used to remove data, that is TQ. Queue follows the first in first out methodology, just like means FIFO. In objective question, always asks the what is Q is stands for first in first out, last in first out. So these are the important terminology of Q. That is, the Q is the first in first out methodology. That is, the data item stored first will be accessed first. Please refer the car representation. A real world example of queue can be single lane one way road where the vehicle enter first, exit first. More real world example can be seen as a queue at the end, ticket window and bus stop. These are the queue example. Queue representation. As we now understand that in queue we access both end for different reason. The following diagram given below tries to explain queue representation as data structure. The insertion of data element, last in last out. So data will be stored at one by one at the end of the queue. It is the first in first out. These are the end. And in stack, a queue can also be implemented using array, linked list, pointer, data pointer and structure. For the sake of simplicity, we shall implement the queue using one dimensional array. Okay, the basic operation. Queue operation may involve initializing or defining the queue, utilizing it, and then completely erasing it from the memory. The first one is the NQ. Already we have said that NQ means add an item to the queue, and DQ means remove an item from the queue. Some more function are there, but there is enough for you. So queue and stack question in board examination always asks the difference between the queue and stack. The difference between queue and stack for 4 marks. It's the compulsory, and always asks the question for queue and stack and linked list of the question, of the portion of the question. Okay, so please, this is the important portion for you. Please note down the necessary notes in the given link, and if you doubt or queries regarding the stack, queue or linked list, please ask me.